When you hear the beep, advance to the next picture.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, circus fans of all ages, you are about to see the greatest, the most beautiful, the most stupendous array of talent ever collected under the big top, the most dazzling, the most, the most...
Thank you for that lovely introduction, Kermie. Kissy, kissy. But don't you think you ought to say a few words about the rest of this tacky little sideshow?
Kermit, I am warning you that nothing escapes my eagle eye. I demand that this circus be conducted in a reserved and orderly manner with the utmost of decorum and dignity.
Okay, Sam, I'll try. But I wouldn't bet the ranch on it.
Oh, where did I go wrong?
Did you see that, Statler? They hit that bird with a pie. That must feel awful, but it sure looks funny.
Do we have a problem?
Hey, Fozzie, I don't want to hear any problems from you today.
Oh, no problem, Kermit. No problem at all. Would you like to hear a little news?
Sure. What's new?
Oh, nothing much. The gorilla is loose.
Oh, the gorilla is loose. The gorilla is loose! Ah! Fozzie, what are we going to do?
Try not to look like a banana and run for your life!
Please remove cartridge now.
And now, if I may call your attention to the center ring, the Muppet Circus is proud to present... Animal and his animals!
Make nice! Make nice! Make nice! Mow lawn! Mow lawn! Wash car! Wash car!
Fozzie, why didn't you tell me that gorilla was still loose?
You didn't ask me what else was new.
And now a Muppet News Flash. The annual Grand Rapids Grand Piano Throwing Contest was held today. We'll have the scores in a minute.
Piggy, when you asked me to help with your act, I thought we were going to sing and dance.
Kermie, don't be such a fraidy cat. I'm going to do all the dangerous stuff.
You are?
Mm-hmm. All you have to do is hang there and catch me. Ready? Here I come.
What? No!
Here I come, Kermie. Just open those great big brawny green arms of yours and catch me.
Piggy! Piggy, you were saying about my great big brawny green arms?
I wonder if I let go, will they spring back into place?
Ouch!
Please remove cartridge now.
You know, Ralph, you have not done any kind of circus-type tricks yet.
Well, I just happen to have my act right here. In fact, you might say I've been itching to show it to you.
Itching? Quaint. What is it?
What else? A flea circus.
Oh, that's just wonderful. Someone want to call the pound?
I wonder what else is new. Down boy. Here, have a tuba. Okay, have a piano.
Oh boy, that was close. I'll just hide in this big cannon here until they capture that gorilla.
Oh, Fozzie, where's Kermit? It's time for the grand finale.
Gosh, I don't know, Link. Isn't he with you?
No? So you'd better start the finale. You know what they say. The show must go... the show must go under? Around. The show must go west?
Oh, brother. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for coming to the Muppet Circus. And I hope we'll see you all again real soon. Oh, I wish Kermit was here.
That's all, folks.
Please remove cartridge now.